Hey y'all, so if you guys want to see how I took this ordinary entry table and turned it into this really cute, chic entry table, then just keep on watching. So I definitely recommend you start outside. If you're painting anything, do it outside. However, I started outside and I started to take the wooden parts off where I put everything and I was going to put the marble contact paper. However, this annoying wasp and bee tried to tag team me and ran me completely out of my backyard area. If you can see the wasp, I'm zooming into it right now. That little wasp would not let me live. So once it flew away, I came back outside and I tried to re-waste my time by taping off these the wooden parts that hold everything, which turns out I really didn't need to do because the wooden pieces came out. I didn't realize they came out, but they did. So I'm still just, wasting my time here, taping them off until the bee and the wasp come back. And as you can see, it came back because I ran. And then I ran and picked up Pepper because she wanted to play with it. So I'm looking at it, we're running, we're going in the house because I don't do wasps or bees. So we took this whole project inside. So if you have to do it inside, please put everything down on a towel or something like that like I did. So now that we're in the house, I'm wasting my time again by taping off the wooden areas that I'm going to put the contact paper on. And as you can see, this is where I realized I was wasting my time, because I found the screws underneath it. So now I'm just screwing, well, I'm unscrewing the wooden pieces and taking them off and taking off all the tape I wasted my time putting on, so that I can paint this metal frame. So after I have all of the wooden pieces out, this is what the metal frame looks like by itself. You can't really see the bottom of it because I didn't have the camera positioned properly, but you get the gist of it. So for paint, I'm using the Valspar white satin medium grade paint, and I just picked up the variety pack of paintbrushes from Lowe's. And yeah, so I'm not painting this in any kind of order, fashion. I'm painting it pretty chaotic because one, I'm not a professional, I don't paint, and I'm just kind of winging it. So I'm just kind of doing like back and forth motions across the whole thing. I did not realize how, like, I don't want to say big, but how big this thing really was, because I had to make sure everything was covered. And as I was painting, I was realizing that I was missing a lot of spots and that there were places that you could still see the brown, and I didn't want you to see any type of brown on here because I wanted it to look like it came like this, so yeah. Oh, and I forgot to let you guys know, I got the entire table, or this, I don't know what to call it, a table. I got it from Home Goods, but this is what it looks like after I finished the first coat. I did do 2 coats of paint and then a touch-up coat. So here I am doing the second coat of paint. I have paint everywhere. It's in my hair, it's on my arms, it's on my leggings. Y'all, I got paint everywhere except the floor, and that's all that matters because I don't have time to be paying for no new carpet in this place. So yeah, here I am still painting the second coat. As you can see, paint everywhere, on my arms, on my leggings, and in my hair. It's still in my hair. I don't know how to get it out of my hair without cutting out my braids. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and painting the second coat. And then after finishing up this second coat, I'm going to go ahead and put in the wooden blocks that I put the contact paper on. And I'm so sorry that I completely forgot to film me putting the paper on the wooden pieces, because my camera died and I had to wait for it to recharge, and I didn't think to film it on my phone. But basically the only thing that I did is I took the contact paper, I got it from Lowe's, it's literally a sticker. I just cut it to the size that I needed it to be, and I peeled off the back of it and put it on the wooden pieces, and I just made sure it was smooth all around. That's literally all I did. So yeah, I'm just putting in the wooden pieces, making sure they're right, and I'm screwing them back in. And once I screw all the pieces back in, this is what it looked like before I put anything on it. And then everything that I put on it I got from Home Goods, and this is what the final product looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want some more DIY videos, please let me know, and I will see you guys in my next one.